Yo, do you want to know how to impress everyone at your dinner party? How to impress your dog, your fucking granny, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, whoever the fuck you want? You're gonna make this dish. It's gonna make you seem like a proper chef, I'll tell you what. It's not too difficult, maybe an intermediate level dish, but it's super simple and I'm gonna tell you how to do it. So let's get into this shit. So we are going to start off with our pasta dough, our basic pasta dough. I've got 4 eggs here. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take 3 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk. That's what I'm doing. I'm going to weigh that out. That's how much that shit is. And basically, I'm going to times the weight of my eggs by 1.64, which equals to 268.96 grams. And that's how much flour I'm using. It's that simple. I'm using 00 flour. It's the best shit for pasta. You already know. Just going to mix that, make a nice pasta dough. And then we're going to go on with our lives. Going to mix that together. Going to make sure you knead it for long enough. Don't be a lazy shit. There we go. I can be a lazy shit sometimes. Anyway, I got some portobellini shrooms, my friend. So I'm going to blitz that shit. I'm going to put it in a food processor. Make sure it's nice and fine. This can be quite annoying. A lot of moisture in there, but it's fine. We're going to cook that out. Take it out. Now we're going to have some garlic and some thyme. We're going to crush our garlic up until it's nice and fine. Then we're going to take a pan, generous amount of olive oil. Now we're going to fry our garlic. We're going to put some thyme in there first, some fresh thyme. It's a bit dry, so I could just kind of flick it off there nice and easy. We're going to fry our garlic literally for 10 seconds before adding our mushroom mince, if you want to call it that. Oof, that looks fucking weird. Let me just squash that. Yeah, nice. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. Cook that moisture out. Add in a generous amount of salt. And then also a fair amount of pepper. Pepper and mushrooms, everybody. Even if you don't like pepper, I don't care. Put pepper in. Because pepper and mushrooms just go. After the moisture's been cooked up, maybe about 10 minutes, we're going to spread it out on a tray so that it cools down faster. Now I got some baking paper. I'm going to press it down there so it doesn't form a skin. I'm going to leave that to cool down and we'll come back. Now, my pasta dough has been resting for about an hour now. I'm going to divide it into 3. So it probably works out just more than 1 egg per person. Right. You're going to roll it out nicely. Don't be a lazy boy. Ooh, yeah. That's a great sight. Now, I forgot to say that I added a lot of Parmesan cheese into this mix, but that's okay. You can always add it later. Put it in a piping bag, and there you have it. We're going to start piping along nicely there till it's one long dookie. There we go. I'm putting a little bit of water on the pasta so that it can stick. Not egg, just a little bit of water. That's all you need. Confidently roll it over, and you're going to press it. You don't want any air bubbles in that bitch. You know what I'm saying? You won't have a good time if you got air in there. And you got your funny cutter tool that you use to trim your garden with, and you're going to use it on your pasta. Take that off, and you're going to basically make it into a spiral. And there we go. I got a lot of flour in there, but that's okay. Look at that beauty. Wow. Now, I got my boiling water here. And I basically want just enough water so that it just covers the top, because I don't want this to go absolutely fucking ballistic where the spiral comes apart. It's the last thing you want. So I'm going to watch it. Now you're going to boil this for about 5 minutes and then take it off. I actually had mine pretty much on a simmer. So I'm going to put it back in the pan with a generous amount of butter. And we're going to get that bubbling. Oh yes. Look at that. Add some more thyme. Add a little bit of salt, swirl it around, add some more butter if you want. Add a bit of the pasta water to make an emulsion. I didn't do that, I just kind of went for the brown butter vibe. And then plate it up. Okay, well I already started eating this and my camera fucked out a bit, but we carry on, it's fine. I've got I was saying that this is a very nice dish because you can prep this, you can show off your skills, it's very cool. You can make this the night before, keep it in your fridge, take it to your friend's house, really show off your skills. So It's so flavorful. Wow. Please make sure to always season your filling, because you don't want to be giving this to people and then they have to add extra salt. You just don't want to be doing that. Just coat it in a bit of oil. You can see like that. And the bottom is actually slightly crispy, which is quite cool. Fried it in the butter at the end there, so quite an interesting touch. Can't have too much Parmesan cheese, let's be honest. So thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go enjoy this. Please consider liking, and please consider subscribing. I love you all.